The title of the journal is Informatics in Medicine Unlocked. The publisher is Elsevier. See here they have mentioned the time to first decision is 3.1 weeks. It means that within 1 month you will get the first notification. Scroll down to see the scope of the journal. Scope is application of computer to the field of bioscience and medicine. Then scroll down, then here you can notice the average time for first submission to publication of accepted paper is 2 to 3 months. So within 4 months you will get your article to be published in online. Here they have mentioned in this tab abstracting and indexing. So this is the page of abstracting and indexing. Here they have given it is a Scopus indexed journal. Let us move to guide for authors. In the guide for author section, there is a tab called preparation. In this preparation, they have given how to prepare your article. After that, in the same guide for authors page, you can see a submission tab. This is a submission tab. If you click that, you can see an online submission system link provided over here. So it is an editorialmanager.com link. This is the website where you have to register with your email ID, and this is the web page you have to submit your article. Next, coming back to the home page of this article, if you scroll down, you can see a call for paper. This is the call for special issue. So they have given two call for special issue. One is intelligent computing system in biomedical image processing. The next one is integrity and multimedia data management. Interesting thing about the special issue is they will publish in a short period. Let me see this intelligent computing system in biomedical image processing. Scope of this publication is computational biomedical imaging analysis, machine learning methods for health informatics, deep learning for analyzing image sequence, image segmentation, natural language generation, and speech recognition, evolutionary deep intelligence, reconstruction using deep networks. So they have given a lot of research areas to be published. To submit to this special issue, you have to choose the main journal's submission system, this one, the editorial manager of this one. And then you have inside you will find a tab with SIICS. You have to choose this and then you have to submit your article for this special issue. As I already told you, the submission period is very short. Here you can see it is submission deadline is 15th August and publication date is November 2021. And below they have given some editors detail. Let me move to the next special issue. Integrity and multimedia data management using emerging technologies in the healthcare application. So for this special issue, the indexing is Scopus. And scope of this special issue is cloud, fog, edge, big data, IoT, wireless sensor networks. These are the scope of this particular special issue. And the deadline is 15th August, publication date is November. And they have given some guest editors. Hope you find this video is useful. To receive the forthcoming videos, kindly please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.